Chwngpherangni bil kebang marumani Lukurogni nognogo haste hapang smart meter thepai mani yagulo hastini kebang ma tongkosong tunai Lukurog sejalai mani khorang tisalai mani abni yagulo Jolijak tongkosong Lukurogni kepal sakabo taisa birman klaifai pirukha Salba Romwi Chwngpherang Kwrwi Sonamura kulobari amchia tongnai tongkosong Lukurogni haini bagai Sonamura Boxanagar thanglaiso klaima Lahar kotor Kasukha kulobari amchia tongnai Lukurog
আমরা যে রাস্তা অবরোধ করছি আজকে 3-7 দিন আগে আমরা এখানে কারেন্ট নাই জলের সমস্যা বড় সমস্যা আছে দপ্তরতে আমরা কইছি যে আজকে 5টার দিকে আমাদের এইখান ট্রান্সফরমার আমরা এখানে কুলবাড়ি দিব এই যে 5টা বাজে আছে এখন পর্যন্ত কোনো ট্রান্সফরমার নাই তো আমরা কি করব এই ইতার করে আমরা রাস্তা অবরোধ করছি
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantri multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chwngpherang railway station.